one-lane bridge coming up. Ooh.
I haven't been on the bike in over a month, though. It's just been raining every day.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody has service.
Not me. I'll have to just look at maybe changing providers down here.
Now we're down to 15. We're going to be walking it soon.
At least we made it on time.
Yeah. Oh, a kayaker. Have you kayaked, Natasha?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes?
Kayaking's very nice.
Does it
It's
hurt?
very easy.
We did it the one time in Florida.
It doesn't have to be aggressive. You can make it a workout if you want to, but otherwise you can just tootle.
It doesn't hurt your back.
Have a look.
Oh, yes, the river. With red things.
If you adjust the kayak properly, then no, it shouldn't hurt your back. Yeah, exactly.
We haven't done our to have a financial or one for health and one for monetary belongings. The person who's left in Canada.
He sort of fits both.
Okay.
One-lane bridge. Maybe that's why there's a burst of traffic.
Where are we supposed to
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Yeah, exactly.
We haven't done our. This is Boulder Creek. So it's 10 to 1.
Well, I'm gonna get the tickets.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Take the next left, then slide left.
Dolly Cruises.
Marina and campground. That's a lovely.
Day use is full. They should have separate part.
Yeah, it's not
Sorry.
champagne.
Paddle turf one way.
Dolly is straight ahead.
So I guess we gotta just find parking. I see one right there.
To one side sounds like it would be fine.
He's at the bottom of the restaurant.
Then we'll go there. Okay.
Yep. Look up
So
the
let's come forward just a little bit more here. And round. I don't see a good way up and out of there. Okay, come back down and go to the left, guys. It's a lot easier climbing over here.